In this video, I'll show you how to create invoices with Wise Business. Step 1. Log into your Wise Business account. Access your Wise Business account via the website or mobile app and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to Wise in the description down below. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and select Invoices. Go to the Payments tab and click on the Invoices section. Step 3. Click Create an Invoice. Start composing your invoice by clicking on Create an Invoice. Step 4. Fill in invoice details. Enter recipient information, invoice number, issue date, and payment due date. Add line items with descriptions, quantities, and agreed rates. Specify taxes if applicable. Step 5. Choose currency and payment method. Select the invoice currency. Wise supports multi-currency invoicing. Add your Wise bank account details for clients to pay using local or international transfers. Step 6. Preview and send invoice. Preview the invoice as a PDF to ensure accuracy. Download or send it directly via email to your client. Step 7. Track invoice status. Monitor the status of your invoices in Wise. See which invoices are paid, due, or overdue. Now I have some tips for effective invoicing. Use clear descriptions to reduce payment queries. Include invoice numbers and payment references to simplify reconciliation. Customize payment terms and add discounts if pre-agreed. Leverage Wise's multi-currency accounts to receive payments worldwide at a low cost. And that's how you use invoices with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.